Epic Games has created the Matrix Awakens, an interactive tech demo built in Unreal Engine 5. A teaser for the interactive Matrix experience appeared today, and the tech demo will be available on PS5 and Xbox Series X consoles. You can pre-install the demo right now, 29 GB, on PS5 or Xbox Series X, and it will launch during the Game Awards on December 9th. Members of the original movie team, including Lana Wachowski, have worked with Epic Games to create The Matrix Awakens. The Xbox Store listing promises a wild ride into the reality-bending universe of The Matrix that features performances by Keanu Reeves and Carrie-Anne Moss. The teaser video appears to show a digital version of Keanu Reeves and not the Cyberpunk 2077 kind. How do we know what is real? Reeves asks, mysteriously. Epic Games originally announced its Unreal Engine 5 with a stunning PlayStation 5 tech demo last year. It included photorealistic lighting, incredibly visual quality, and a level of game detail that Unreal Engine 5 promises to deliver for next-gen consoles like the PS5 and Xbox Series X. This Matrix tech demo could be equally impressive, with the teaser claiming it will offer a glimpse into the future of interactive storytelling and entertainment. With UE5 and this free, boundary-pushing cinematic and real-time tech demo, it arrives just ahead of the Matrix Resurrections theater release on December